Slavoj, I mean, how did you first become interested in Lee's work?
It's so primitive. I mean, for decades, quantum mechanics interested me, but it took me some time to learn to distinguish between guys who are just popularizers,
Yes.
Especially, I hate it if they are popularizers in this pseudo New Age way. For example, you remember, Lee, you must know this. When was it? A year ago, I think, a little bit more. When the three guys got the Nobel Prize for proving faster than light entanglement contact, immediately there were some idiots from India. I'm not saying Indians are idiots. They are the best mathematicians. But some idiots who said, oh, this proves that Upanishad is right, that there is a universal spirit which moves across time, that, and so on. So it took me some time to get people who at the same time are seriously taken as quantum physicists, not just this popularization, but at the same time, not so much right in a popular way, but, and that was the origin of my love for you, that they begin to ask, that they break what at least is popularly called Copenhagen orthodoxy. To put it in vulgar terms, sorry, you want to say something? I talk too much as usual.
I'm a terrible interrupter, as I'm sure you. So let me tell you, name that as far as from my point of view, name what I think attracted you in. Because it's very important to distinguish as you are popular literature from scientific intellectuals or public intellectuals who are aiming for the public, but also aiming to influence other scientists. And the person who invented this genre of writing is called John Brockman. He's a literary agent who does mostly scientists who write books for the public.
I didn't know.
Not, you know what else? Do you know the genre I'm talking about?
Yeah,
so people in we write in biology and intelligence and physics and all cosmology and all kinds of things. We always aim our arguments at other professionals and invite the public to look over our shoulders as we debate with them. So that's what you're liking. And that's what I hope to